Hello guys, welcome to today's video tutorial, and today I'm going to teach you guys how to create a poll on Facebook application. All right, so what's actually a poll? This is a poll. This is a poll you create. Once you want to create a poll, you click on this particular option from your page area, and then you'll be able to create a poll. You'll be able to see option to create a poll. But then let me back out. I'm going to show you guys how to create this pool on your mobile application. But then there is a glitch in this mobile application. The issue is Facebook actually removed the option for creating pools, which is when you click on your Facebook application and then click on this area and scroll down, you no more see the pool option. Normally you get to see the pool option right from here, but for some reason it displays on your desktop application full. So I don't know why Facebook removed it, but we can still do this on our stories area, which is still allowed, because when I click on this one, you can notice I created a pool right here. Not long ago. You can see I don't have any view yet on it. So let me back out and show you guys how to create this pool on your Facebook stories. So all you need to do is to click on your add stories, scroll down to the pool area, click on your pool, and then go ahead and give a question of what you want to ask. Just type any question. Let me see. um Sorry, it should be Justice League. So once you're done, just back out of your editing area and then go ahead and select some background that fits in your post. So once you're done selecting your background, go ahead and click on the privacy area and select the set of the group of people you want to see. If you want, you can leave this on public. For this post, I'm leaving it on public, and then you can actually make this your friends connection only, and you could choose your friends only, or you can also customize the set of people you want to view your story. So you can go ahead and check, and once you're done, just back out and it's going to be done and selected for you. But no, I want to choose public for this post. I just want to make it public since the post is not going to be harmful or private. So once you're done, just go ahead and back out and it's going to update the settings for you. And if you like, for some reason, you can add effects, any effect you want. Just go ahead and check it, take a look at what you like, and once you're done, just go ahead and click on the middle and it's going to be saved for you. So once you're done making your settings, just go ahead and say share your stories, and it's going to apply and it's going to update the stories for you. So just give it some time to load up on your stories area, and after it loaded up, it's going to display here, and you'll see it on this area. That's your story for you. So after this area must have reached its limit, or if people are voting and you feel like this is interesting and there is an engagement, you can also go ahead and add it to highlights. So once you click on add to highlight, you can select any of this one to add it to that same highlight, or you can just make it a new highlight on its own, and then you can give it any name you want. You can just say Q&A movie. So once you're done, just go ahead and back out and then save it, and it's going to be saved to your highlight also. So when you view your profile area, you are going to get to see it. Just go to your profile area and scroll down a little bit, scroll more. Okay, now you can see the Q&A movies. When you click on it, you see the option appears right here. So whenever people engages on it, you're going to see how many people have viewed it and so on and so forth. So hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And there is one more thing I would like to do. Let me go ahead and pause this video for that reason. So guys, here is what I want to show you. Please do not forget to subscribe. It's pretty easy to do. Just click on the subscribe button and then hit the bell icon next to it, and I'll be seeing you guys on my next tutorial. All right, peace.